I'll be teaching you app development. It will be a very interesting journey, so please bear with me. Um, in app development, we will learn to create beautiful apps and interesting designs, interesting user interfaces, beautiful user interfaces, and other interesting stuffs. So now, to get into app development, we need to first know a programming language. So we will start with Java, which is a very simple language to learn or start with. So let's get started. So these are the things we are going to learn today. What is Java? Where is it used? A sample Java program, types of applications, and how Java program is written, how the program is compiled and executed. So what is Java? It is a high-level programming language and a platform. So by platform, it means Java platform is a collection of programs that helps programmers to efficiently develop and run Java applications. It was developed by Sun Microsystems. Mm, James Gosling is the one who developed it, so he is known as the father of Java. It runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Unix, etc. So now, where is Java used? Java is used in a variety of applications like desktop applications. Desktop applications as in like which we use in our day-to-day lives, like Acrobat Reader to view the PDFs, media player, antiviruses, etc. Then it is also used in web applications, enterprise applications as in bank applications, business applications, mobile, embedded systems, games, robotics, everywhere. So, what are the types of applications in Java? First, there are four types of applications: standalone applications, web applications, enterprise applications, and mobile applications. So, what is standalone application? It is also known as desktop applications or Windows-based applications, which we use every day in our laptops or desktops, like antiviruses, media player, etc. So now, web applications. Um, these applications runs on the web or internet. For example, a very popular example is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. And about enterprise applications, they are distributed in nature, such as banking applications. So, as we have seen in the earlier slide, it is used in banking applications, it is uh, business applications, etc. So, and mobile applications. Applications are those applications which are created for mobile devices, like the apps we use every day, like games, the Facebook app, the Twitter app, the Instagram app, etc., which we use in our day-to-day lives. So here is a simple Java program, or an example you can say. Here, hmm, what this program basically does is it just prints out hello world into the as a result, as an output you can say. So just go through the program and see each and every words that are used in the program, just to get an idea how a Java program is written. So I'll be explaining about each and every word used here after we learn a few more topics. So till then, just keep this thing in mind. And now, okay, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, now here, here in this picture, we can see. Suppose we have written in Java. Let us take an example. Let us take this. Let us take this example. This is an example. We have written this code and we have saved it, and we have to save a Java program. We need to save it as a .java file. We need to save it as a .java file. Okay, we need to save it as a .java file. So after that, does after the file is saved, the file goes through a Java compiler, which translates the Java code into a machine understandable code, and it outputs a .class file, which is a platform independent Java file. Platform independent file. Um, by platform independent, it means if we copy this .class file, or it is also known as Java bytecode, um, this file into any other platforms, like copy and paste in any other platforms, like many platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. We just have to execute, just have to, and if we execute it, then it will run properly without any errors. So after this, the .class file is executed by the interpreter. The interpreter is used to um, execute the dot class files, so that after this we get the output as whatever in the program is written. So if we take this example, we will get the output as hello world. Yeah, so let me show you a um, okay, let me show you a demo of how a program is written and executed. This is the Java program that we have written, and I've typed it in a notepad, in a notepad application. And to save it, I have to go to file and save as. I have saved it in my desktop, and mind it, just this name, your class name and your file name should be same, otherwise it will give error. So I've saved it with the same name as the class name, and I've given the .java extension and saved it. So the file is saved. Let me close it. So this is the file. This is the file. This is the file. Now I will open my cmd command prompt, and I went into the location where my file is located, which is users, my name, and the desktop. So here, how do we run a Java program? We have to compile. First, we have to compile the Java program, and then we have to execute it. So to compile the program, you have to use the command java c file name, which is hello world.java, and press enter. So as soon as I compile the file, you can see another file has appeared here, which is a dot class file. As you can see here, it is a dot class file, which is which is this is the bytecode. If you open this file, you won't understand because it's a machine language and it's not a human understandable language. So now to execute the Java code, we need to use another uh, command to execute it. So which is Java hello world. So as you can see, we got the output as hello world. So to run a Java program in your system, you need to have a few things installed, which is the JDK and set the environment variables also. So I'll show that in the and I'll show those things in the next videos. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you.